Hey there, tiny adventurers. Get ready because today we're off on an epic trip to the zoo. Welcome to the ultimate animal hangout. Get ready to meet creatures from every corner of the globe, big or small, tall or tiny, fluffy, feathered, or even scaly. Let's dive in and find out who's waiting to say hi. Hear that rumbling sound over there? That's Leo the lion, the majestic king of the jungle. Out in the wild, lions hang out in groups known as prides. Meanwhile, our buddy Leo chills at the zoo in a big, open space packed with rocks and trees, making it feel just like his natural savanna digs. The zookeepers totally spoil him. They serve up fresh meat every day to keep him in tip-top shape. They've even got cool toys and puzzles to keep his brain buzzing and boredom at bay. And get this, lions can snooze for up to 20 hours a day. Even royalty needs their beauty sleep. Leo sometimes climbs up the tallest rock to survey his domain, his golden mane glistening in the sun. When he lets out a mighty roar, the whole zoo knows it. It's like he's declaring, "This is my kingdom, and I'm proud to guard it." Despite his fierce appearance, Leo is actually pretty chill and friendly with his keepers. He's a true king with a big heart. Check it out up there. That's Gigi the giraffe, the tallest superstar in the whole zoo. Giraffes can stretch up over 5 meters tall, using their super long necks to snack on tasty leaves that no other animal can reach. Zookeepers put together these extra tall munching spots just for Gigi, so she can stretch her neck and snack on her faves, acacia leaves and those super crunchy twigs. Each morning, the crew gives her coat a good brush and checks her hooves, keeping her in tip-top shape from her head all the way down to her toes. Or maybe we should say to her very far below. Gigi's got these amazing long eyelashes that keep the dust away, and her cool spotted fur makes her look like she totally belongs in the wild. Sometimes, she'll even dip her super long neck down to say hi to visitors. And if you're really lucky, she'll give you a sweet lick with her purple tongue. Can you believe it's about 45 centimeters long? That's longer than your arm. You know what's cool about Gigi? She's got her giraffe squad to hang out with. Giraffes are total social butterflies. At the zoo, Gigi and her pals spend their days strutting their stuff, munching on snacks, and just soaking up the scenery. When the sun starts setting, they huddle up under the golden sky, their necks swaying gently like trees in the breeze. Get ready to meet Ella the elephant. She's not only the biggest animal in the zoo but also one of the sweetest around. Elephants are super smart with amazing memories. They can spot their pals, recall faces, and even give fellow elephants a little cheer-up hug when they're feeling down. At the zoo, Ella the elephant gets a whole lot of fun with tons of room to roam, a mud pit to squish around in, and a pool just waiting for her to make a splash. She's got skills too, using her trunk like a pro to munch on snacks, slurp up drinks, enjoy some playtime, and even shower herself. And when it comes to munchies, she can't resist juicy watermelons and bananas. Ella is all about picking up new skills. Her caretakers hang out with her daily, training her in a super gentle way. They teach her all sorts of cool tricks, like lifting her feet for checkups, waving her trunk, or even making some art with special paintbrushes. It's not just playtime, these fun activities keep Ella's mind buzzing and ensure she's happy, healthy, and chill. Time to check out the tropical birdhouse. It's a vibrant paradise with parrots flaunting every color under the sun: red, blue, green, and yellow. Parrots are chatterboxes. Some can even mimic our voices. They're big fans of fruits, nuts, and seeds, and their caretakers treat them to goodies that keep their feathers looking fabulous. Every day, the zookeepers jam out and chat with them because parrots are total social butterflies who dig some company. They flap, squawk, and bust out their best dance moves, turning every morning into a treetop fiesta.